Hello everyone and welcome to my very first episode of CCNA Beginner Course. In this lesson we're going to start from the very basics. Alright, so what exactly is a network? Before we jump into configuration and commands, we need to understand the core concept behind all of networking is connecting devices so they can share information. Think about this. Every time you send a message or maybe watch a video or browse a website, that's networking. By the end of this lesson, you will know what a network is and why we need it and how to build our very first simple network inside Cisco Packet Tracer, this application. Alright, so let's begin with a simple definition. A network is a group of two or more devices that are connected together to share resources or data, and that's it. It could be as small as two computers sharing a file or playing a game together, or as large as the entire internet. There are different types of networks. LAN, which stands for Local Area Network. A small network like our home or office, when we connect PC, printer, a MacBook or a phone, we create small LAN in our home, in our office. Bigger than that will be WAN, which stands for Wide Area Network. It connects multiple LANs over long distances. The last one is MAN, which stands for Metropolitan Area Network, a city-sized network, and that's it. These are just some basics we need to know. So when we connect our home to Wi-Fi, by home I mean our laptop, our smart TV, or maybe a phone, that's a LAN. When your internet service provider connects your home to Google servers, that's part of a WAN. Now let's actually build a small LAN together in Packet Tracer. Alright, so open Cisco Packet Tracer. In the middle, you'll see a blank workspace. This is where we build our network. At the bottom, there are device icons. Routers, switches, hubs, PCs, laptops, and more. Let's just start by adding two computers and a switch. Let's connect them. And that's it. We just built our first physical connection. But remember, being physically connected doesn't mean they can communicate yet. Why? Because they don't have IP addresses. So let's assign them. Every device in a network needs an IP address, which is like its home address. Just like your home has a unique address, so people can find you. Computer uses IP addresses to find each other. We'll use network, a simple network like this one, 192, 168, 1, 2, and /24. And to this one, 192, 168, 1, 3. We just leave default gateway. Alright. Well, we just assigned IP addresses to these PC. Alright. So now let's check if they communicate. We use this command ping As you can see, it is working properly fine. If we see this command reply from 192, 168, 13, this command, that means that we are successfully communicating. But if we see request timeout, we should double check if our cables are connected, or maybe our IPs are not in the same network. Alright, so why did we use a switch to connect these two PCs together? We could actually connect them together. I can remove this and connect this PC to this one, and they work perfectly fine. But the problem is, if we add a bunch of PCs, now how do we connect them? That's where we need a switch like this. So they are connected together, but this PC isn't yet. Connect this one too. So we connect them all to a switch. This PC and this PC, as you can see, are communicating successfully. But if we use this PC and this one, see, no functional ports. Why? Because this one has no IP yet. Now it is working. This PC communicates this one now. We can use this packet too. You can simulate. As you can see, they are perfectly connected. So that's it. Let's review what we have learned. What a network is, the difference between a LAN, a WAN, and MAN. How to connect two PCs in Packet Tracer, how to assign IP addresses, and how to test connectivity with command ping. That's a solid start. In the next episode, we'll learn about network devices, switches, routers, and hubs, and how they make networks bigger and smarter, and we create bigger and bigger networks together. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and keep practicing in Packet Tracer. See you in the next video.